There are few places left on Earth as wild and breathtaking as the Yukon. These lands have sustained wildlife and people for countless generations. The Yukon is our home. But it's changing. Climate change is happening 2 to 3 times as fast in the Yukon as in southern Canada. If we don't plan for the changes that are happening to our lands and waters now, then we may sacrifice important things we value, like healthy fish and wildlife populations and our own well-being. It's vital as we embark on land use planning in the Yukon that we carefully consider the impacts of climate change and put in place measures to help wildlife and people prepare for future changes. So what can we do? We can safeguard wildlife from extreme weather events like fires and floods by conserving large enough areas so that if some parts are damaged, there are still other places to go. Protecting large, connected landscapes makes it easier for species to move to more suitable climates or find refuge in areas that are changing more slowly. We can protect wetlands and peatlands that have stored away carbon for thousands of years. When these areas are destroyed, more carbon is released into our atmosphere, adding to our climate problems. We can protect cold water areas that are critical for fish and keep our rivers and streams cool by conserving streamside vegetation so that fish and the people and animals they sustain remain healthy. Finally, we should recognize that changes caused by development like mines and roads can add to the growing pressures on our environment from climate change, and make sure we fully consider how these risks add up. The choices we make through land use planning will shape the Yukon for generations to come. Let's put climate change at the heart of those decisions and conserve the Yukon we love.